sezingakile lokhuzana lezi ingane zakho zilahleka zidlule lento le eyafakwe lo muntu kwena?
Yo, azi. Ay. Bangizothi 10 mncane.
Sure.
Mncane u10.
Sure.
Mncane u10 because I remember ngisasekhaya maybe zaphuma ezo3. Ngayibale accident just after nje.
Accident.
Yes. No ezo2 zaphuma ngisekhaya. Elesisaphuma ngilele, ilesisaphuma sengikubaba walomntwana okhona. Before ebekhona lo mntwana, ugogo pick up ukuthi ngipregnant. Kwaphuma isisu kuqala. And ugogo wafika ngitshela ukuthi saphuma ngise toilet. Maka ngitshela ukuthi wena you are pregnant.
So it's more than 10.
10 mncane ngoba yo mncane.
Sanibonani babukeli bethu emakhaya. Igama lami ke ngukwazi ngwakwantsele ngiphuma phansi lenkandla Mahlatha Mnyama. Nginibingelela lapha ngikuNep podcast lapho khona sisuke sixoxa nje ngezinto ezahlukahlukene ezithinta abantu, ezithinta nemoya, imphefumulo, even nangokwaba sikhuluma ngezinto eziphazamisa umqondo nenhliziyo ke ne-well-being yomuntu. Ziningi izinto esikhuluma ngazo. Sikhuluma ngezinto ezithinta amakhaya ethu, sikhuluma ngezinto ezithinta la sisuka khona, ukuhlukumeza ukuthi ekukhuleni kwethu, abantu abanye ukubezwa ngokocansi, ngaba besilisa nabesifazane, sesixoxana ngabantu ababoshelwe izinto abangazazi. Kuningi nje sesikhulume ngakho. Namhlanje ke asikho sodwa noma sami sodwa, sihamba nosiswethu omuhle lapha uGugu. Phuma phansi Mtubatuba nje?
Yebo Mtubatuba.
Yebo, sikhuluma noGugu obuya eMtubatuba. Siswami ungabingelela ababukeli bethu emakhaya. Ekubingeleleni kwakho ababukela emakhaya mase kuba ukuthi uyachaza ukuthi size ngane, but before usichaze singathanda ukuthi sikucacise ukuthi konke sobe sikukhuluma lapha akukho mhlambe ukuthi thina sikutshela uGugu konke kufike nayo uGugu and konke nizobe nikuzwa kuyena. Nathi siyakweshwama sobe siqala kanye nani ama incident and maybe namagama ngathi ayaqhamuka akukho last khona esimfunze khona sathi nakho, kodwa kuzobe kuyistory sakhe akasikhulumayo ukuthi konke kusuka kuyena. Angikuphi ithuba dadwethu uqale udaba lestory sakho ubingelela ababukeli bethu emakhaya kuqala.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Bhutikwazi. Ngizothanda nje ukubonga kuqala ukuthi ungiphe isikhathi, akuthathanga isikhathi ukuthi ungiphendule ukuthi ngazi ukuthi okay ngiyayenza lento esengifisa ukuthi ngiyenze. Igama ngosineGugu ngwakaMondlane Sibongo.
Yes.
Namagama amaningi ke ngazibangela kaPassion Queen. Ufikile. Kuningi nje ngisuka
noGugu nosinephakathi abanye bakuzwa ngosinephakathi. Abanye bakubiza ngoGugu.
Yebo.
Yes.
So ngisuka originally ngisuka eMtubatuba.
Yes.
But currently ngise Randburg la engihlala khona nomama.
Yes.
Ngize namhlanje la. Ngize namhlanje ngicela ukubonga kuqala ukuthi ngifike lesinqumo sokuthi ngikwenze. Into ebengifuna ukuthi ngikhulume nomunye umuntu. One thing ngami ngicomfortable ukukhuluma nama strangers than ukukhuluma nomuntu engimjwayele.
Angibe strange impela kakhulu.
Yebo. So ngibonga nje ukuthi ngifikile esiphethweni sokuthi this thing ngiyakhuluma ngayo noma ngisaba like now ngiyathuka mase kumele ngikhulume ngayo because I know ukuthi okay we are now recording this.
Yes.
And a lot of people they will see, but I'm ready for people to see because I'm seeking help.
Yes.
Ngidinga usizo and I've been through lento ukuthi one thing ngami I boggle things up. Like yes kimi angikhulumi ngazo because I believe ngazo ukuthi umuntu mawukhuluma naye ekwazi uyakujaja. Uzomtshela umuntu so ethi indlela yakhe bekayenza, that's why kwenzeka izinto enjalo. So namhlanje size ngodaba lami.
Yebo dadwethu.
Into esiyenzeke eminyaka. But kule minyaka eyadlula yenzeka bengingayinotisile ukuthi okay lento vele iyenzeka, but manje because kunama podcast left and right.
Iqiniso.
Siyazizwa lezi zinto lezi ukuthi ziyenzeka and sebaningi abantu ngibona befika kuwena kwazi bekhuluma beshare, but bese ngithi mina pho ngihlaleleni.
Yes.
What if lento isigcine iyangithatha ke mina? Because angazi ukuthi abantu abasenza lezi zinto baphetha up ngazo. Bayasenza bese bayayeka beqhubeke nempilo yabo while maybe kulokhu kuniseleleka nje kubona kithi kube kumunceka. Yebo kube kumunceka because for mina manje impilo yami I'm pushing ngalendlela yokuthi I know like what do I want, but whenever I grab that opportunity, into lena engibona ukuthi le it's a way forward for me and I'm happy doing it. But izothatha left ukuthi kanjani angazi, not only about my career or my dreams, even ngama relationship ke futhi wona it's now worse. I've tried committing suicide. Like khona la kufika khona ukuthi shuthi mina yonke into engizothi ngiyazama. One thing ngami ke like angeke ngize ngifihle ongazi uzosho nginothando, and once ngathola umuntu angikhona ukuthi ngithi hayi ngabona ukuthi uyangithanda, wanginikeza isikhathi, wangibonisa ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba nami ngizokwenza lokho, ngizofuna ukuba nawe,
unikela ngakho konke kwakho.
Kodwa manje into esingihlupha ukuthi mangithi ngiyanikela ngakho konke, hayi kuvele kuduma izulu, kuvele kuduma izulu ngalendlela yokuthi izongibreaker down to the point yokuthi yazi yini, I'm done, I'm tired.
Yes,
I'm tired because years back, my early 20s, or maybe late teens, like maybe 19 to 20.
Yes.
I can't remember properly. But besiya edrobheni.
Yeah.
Ekhaya eMtuba sigibela ku N2 because indawo yasemakhaya sometimes imoto awuyitholi ngaphakathi ku gravel. So kumele uhambe uphume uyogibelela ku N2. Ku N2 ngamelo nayo noma iyiphi imoto.
Kunjalo.
And ngeke ukuthi makumoto encane i-taxi izokulwisa ikwehlise cha. So yama ke imoto sehayika sibheke edrobheni nomngani wami.
Yes.
Mayimi imoto kuma nje I think leya bekuyiFortuna because beyinkulu leya moto.
At that time Fortuna was a big car.
Like yes. So mayima umngani wami umuntu ukuthi uziphaphele mina noma bengisitowuti kodwa like bengikufihla because like nasendaweni akekho umuntu obenothisa ukuthi hayi ugugu
uphaphile.
Hayi khona izinto ezwrong. Yes, akekho like bebebona yena kuphela because even ugogo ebengayifuni i-friendship yethu. Like ebengayifuni because ebemazela yena ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Yes, yes.
So masihamba masihayikha lapha etiyeleni ku N2 iyami imoto. Ubhuti nje osekhulile uyambona ukuthi usifakele nesudi yakhe, usidrivela imoto yakhe. Umngane wami ngokuphapha kwakhe hayi mngane ngizongena phambili mina. Okay, ngena phambili mngane kulungile, ngahlala emuva mina. But iso lika driver lo simelile alikho kulola, angithi sibuko silapha ngisemuva mina. Ngiyabona ukuthi cha lo muntu lo ubheke mina.
Ulokho ekubuka lapha esibukweni.
Ubhizi lokho engibuka esibukweni or mayithola ichance ephenduke ngibheke so like emuva ethi nje kancane. Then mase kuzokwehliwa umngane wami uyazikhulumela hayi okay but ngoba ngathi ukhululekile ithi sithatha le number yakho ke athi hayi ngizothatha inamba kamngani wakho.
Esho wena.
Yebo usho mina. And mina ngikho lapha ngikho kuye because ngazi ukuthi uthela kukhula. Yes. I think that was my first time ngihlangana nomuntu ukuthi uthe ukhula kimi.
Yes.
And I think kwagcina khona lapho futhi.
Yes.
So mayithatha inamba yami ngamnikeza inamba kagogo. Akasange yami remember bengena phone ngamnikeza inamba kagogo. Mangifika ekhaya vele ngayithola ne-miss call ngayisave inamba saqala ukukhuluma ngama calls. I remember ngawona nama SMS bekungama calls besifonelana uye futhi befona kakhulu.
Imuphi lonyaka sikhuluma ngawo? Makuthiwa mhlawumbe siyahlambekisela.
Okay, i-pregnancy yami yokuqala I think bewu 2014.
Which means lo muntu nihlangana na 2015.
Yeah, yes. Because the pregnancy yango 2014 yaba very nje fine. Konke la kwaba right.
Okay.
So masikhuluma mina naye sikhulumela indaba yokuthi manje ke uyabuya. Umuntu ohlalela ejozini umuntu wamabhizinisi. Nakhona ngoba like esinikeza ulift uyadlula. Thina sizokwehla. No uya usuka that side of Jozini ubheke ngapha ngako Richards Bay. Ngazi ke noma beya ko Durban or kuphi thina besizokwehla ebridge leli laseNkodibe and then bese sithola imoto eyibheke eMtuba.
Yes.
How makusenjalo ngisa communicate no guys sesikhuluma indaba ukuthi manje kumele siphinde sibonane. Akuphelanga isonto kwaba maybe isonto lodwa sahlela ukuthi hayi uyabuya kule weekend uzobe eze eDurban business meeting. Nami vele ngiyakhola okay ngimbonile imoto right but lento like lo muntu befuna umngane wami nomngane wami and I remember I didn't tell my friend ukuthi I'm going to meet this guy because askis like ngithe maybe uzophatheka kabi ngoba mina the way ngimbona ngakhona umngane wami ngazi ukuthi uyena obekamfuna like I didn't tell her ukuthi ngiyapi even sekubuya nemali akazange ukuthi ngiyithathe I was like nje hayi ngihambe ngayobona this other guy saba right siyakhuluma ungiphi imali wangithengela nephone.
Okay.
So after ukuthi engitshela ukuthi uyeza sengiyaprepare manje remember angina phone sebenzisa phone kagogo. Uzodlula ngithathe ku N2 la sithatha khona.
Okay.
thatha ku-N2 usuke ejozini sibheke eDurban ihhotela lakhona ngisalikhumbula kahle but lani no-blue ntoni nje kanjalo leno waters phakathi safika khona ngekhathi zantambamanyana wangitholela ifoni sayithola before silale before kube ngakusasa wangitholela ifoni because anginafoni ukuthi hayi kumele sicommunicate izinto ezikanjalo mayise esebuyela back because sizohlangana la ehotela ehambe ku-business meeting nami ngibuyele back ekhaya but anginafoni ngisebenzisa ifoni kagogo with me thinking ukuthi lo muntu ngithengela nefoni ukuthi hayi sisazoqhubeka masikhuluma
ifoni ufike uyiphethe noma waphuma uhambo oyithenga wabuya nayo
like sahamba sonke
okay
yes because like before siyongena ehotela actually wangibuza ukuthi ngifunani like into yokudla like nani nendaba yefoni futhi azange ngize ngicela ifoni like uyena wayidecide la ukuthi ayithi ithi ke ngikuthengile ifoni because uhluphana nogogo nefoni yakhe okay sikwenze lokho sifike sirelaxe ehotela bengingakabi umuntu ukuthi like hey man I prefer ukuthi ngithi ukushaya nyana because lo muntu angimjwayela no I was mean like bengiyimi but angikhumbuli yonke into eyenzeka
okay
ngiyakhumbula ngiyibona icondom but angikhumbuli ngiyibona sesiqedile and angikhumbuli kahle ukuthi kwakhona kulala kwakhona kwaba iprocess kanjani ngeke ngikutshela ukuthi I remember ukuthi senza lokhu but nje we did it saqeda futhi kwalala
ukuthi icondom yafakwa yakhishwa awukhumbuli there's nothing that you remember
icondom ngiyikhumbula ifakwa
okay
ngiyikhumbula ngiyibona but going forward after sesiyenza lento namaphethela khona nokuthi maybe ngibone because or ukuthi ngavuka ngayesula or angikhumbuli leyo part yonke like leyo part kodwa ngiyikhumbula like isiqala but iphathi ukuthi okay sesiqedile phela angisule kenyana sisehotela futhi mina nje ngikhumbula hayi ngiyavuka ekseni angimbonanga futhi ayogeza ekseni nje ngavuka okay ngiyahamba nami ngiyogeza ngiyazilungisa imali uyiletha kimi iroli uyabona imali mayiroliwe bese uyirola ngerasti ukuthi ingachaqheki
yes
uyanginikeza le mali mangithi ngiyayifaka esikhwameni yavela yasinje yakugcwala isikhwama ngithukile nginemali manje ningi nginefone hawu ugayi nje usenzile nesithembiso ukuthi hawu ngizokulanda sizohamba sehotela mina ngiyakuthanda like nandani izinto ezikanjalo kanti angazi ukuthi hawu ngizifaka obishini for impilo yami yonke
Nkosi yami
without knowing bengazi I had no idea into eyangenza ngavule kumqondo nyana kodwa kufika ukuthi maybe lo muntu khona into angenza yona khona into akangenze yona into eyangenza ngivule kumqondo ukuthi mangihlangana naye wangitshela ukuthi uThami igama noma ngingasasikhumbuli isibongo Thami ngiyasikhumbula Thami la ngizama ukukhumbula isibongo but ke it's fine wangitshela ukuthi uThami okay uThami mase ngithi ugogo wami umuntu othanda ukufunda iphepha and bengihlala nogogo siyi2
nomntana uyafona after ususekhaya kule phone yakuthengela
sikhulumile 1.5 day or 2 days akubanga isikhathi eside
nikhuluma
sizaplan ukuthi hayi okay mawubuya futhi ungitshele o mina uzongibeza ngize ngaphokela kunokojozini ngizobona indawo engingayazi because wathi ungwasejozini
yes
makangitshela ukuthi uThami boom sengifunda iphepha ngihleli nogogo ekhaya ngiyabona lobuso lobu hawu lobuso lobu umuntu lo ngithi ngithandana naye usephuma emaphepheni ubani kanti mangithi ngiyafunda nizongixolela nkosami ngizolisha igama cause kwenzeka and I believe ukuthi uye because whatever happened after meeting him you're like horrible for mina as a woman like umuntu owesifazane othi mayihlangana nomuntu wesilisa ekuthanda ifuna ukukuthatha expect ukuthi umakhela umuzi uvuse umuzi umenzela abantwana or nani kunzima manje ukuthi ungavile uaccept ukuthi mina ngizokuthatha ungathola abantwana ngizokuthanda kunjalo i-decision enzima kabi leyo ukuthi umuntu wesilisa engafika kuyona ukuthi eyithathe especially if usuka futhi na kwi-background yokuthi kubo bamhleli la ukuthi thatha umakoti thina sifuna like nabazukulu so like for mina wenza impilo yami yaba horrible ungitshela ukuthi uThami mangithi ngicabange same time ukuthi hayi awuthi ngiseshe okay ngithi mina maybe bekayifihlela isikhundla sakhe because like phana makuchaza ukuthi lo muntu ubani hayi umuntu wezolimi successful farmer of agriculture. He was once appointed as the president of agri-science Ntontoni.
Sikhuluma umuntu omkhulu la.
Like umuntu omkhulu because if ngibheka ku Google like une farming enkulu like he is like successful. But now my question is successful maybe ngezinto azenza amantombazaneni akwenza kimi because like there was a time where ukogwami ozaluma.
Yeah.
Ngisuka la eGoli ngase ngihlala la eGoli ngiyakuye lapho ngase ngithandana nomunye nje uGayi womlungu so uthi kimi iphi imali wena uyangibhekela ngithi gogo ngicela ungibhekela nje izinto zami uthi iphi imali wena ngithi gogo imali yani manje ngithi maybe methi like imali iphi maybe ukhuluma ukuthi lo muntu enginaye unemali
okay
yena ukhuluma ngemali yami engiphunyukayo esandleni
ugogo wakho sho njalo
yebo ozala umama yes bese angitshela ukuthi no there is something wrong because imali kuwena ngiyayibona kodwa umntanami kodwa ayikho ngiyakubona ayikho imali iphi and ngaleso sikhathi mangiyakugoga ukuthi eyongibhekela ngangikwadiswe yini ilento ukuthi ngasikenywa inoma yini projects ngajoin ama awards mangijoin ama awards ngangenelela as new upcoming artist and upcoming model.
Yes.
Bengisase focus kakhulu ku music na ku modeling.
Yes.
I won those awards. The cash prize was 30K. Bezongenzisa ama radio interview something like that. I didn't get that money till today. I tried to do the follow up high kwabed. Ila ngaqala realize khona ukuthi no man something is wrong. Mind you kade ngiphunyelwa isisu sokuqala. Ngeke ngayiveza lo
no iveza
ave ngiveza
okay ushilo ukuthi waba pregnant ngo 2014
yes so ngizozama ukubuyela kuyona mind you kade ngiqeda ukuphunyelwa isisu sokuqala ngahamba ngayobona umuntu wangitshela ukuthi hayi ayiphuma wena angikwazi nokukusiza ukuthi
usungakahlangana noGayi isisu sokuqala
siphuma no like uma ngobona isisu sokuqala siphuma khohla ilesi esekhaya accident
okay ngangifuna ukudida abalali ababukele ekhaya angifuni futhi sijampe kakhulu
okay
asike siqale la ubani igama uFinas Gumede kwakhe phepheni uyathuka what your first instinct kwenzakalani do you try to contact him do you try to call him uyini efike emqondweni wakho ukuthi kungani lo muntu ebesifihla and then ikupho okwenzakalile empilweni yakho ke because siyakuza ukuthi lokhu usho ukuthi kunezinto ezenzakalile kwenzakalani after yes.
Okay after ukuthi ngimbone uGayi
yes
kuningi okwenzakalayo obekungenzeki empilweni yami
okay
uGayi if ngimbona like remember if ngimbone phepha nathi bese singasakhulumi because after ukuthi ngibe naye ehotela as communicateanga even isonto 2 days imkhulu like right
kwaphela ushene imali eningi ne phone
but I didn't dig ngalendlela yokuthi but mina into efike mina ukuthi ayisho ukubeka ifihla because umuntu omkhulu
okay makes sense
and then after ukuhlangana nalo Gayi ke ngihlangane naye after bengikhulelwe ngaba ku 8 months bese ngizodata bese like ngiyazi ngisho date yokuteta ukuthi hayi ngizodata ngalolu suku bese kuna 8 months ngisalele nje maybe isikhashana esincane
yes
ngaba ku accident kwa right ngayifihla futhi ingane ngaba pregnant remember ngahamba ngaye hotel angazi noma ngamitha khona kulelo hotela or kwenzakalani but bengiku relationship angeke ngize ngikufihle ukuthi ngachitha bengiku relationship nomuntu osekhaya
yes
so mangibuya vele like nginomuntu wami engikwaziyo mina ukuthi hayi mina ngimithe so umuntu wami
okay
angeke ngithi ngamitha anginayo show yokuthi wangimithisa
no problem
yes so lesa sisu I didn't know ukuthi I'm pregnant I didn't know ukuthi kwenzakalani ngiyashiselwa ebusuku remember ngigqoke ingubo epink ngilele nogogo empideni ngiyashiselwa ukuthi ngiyajuluka lokujuluka okungekho normal mangibula still ngiyajuluka ngizojuluka ngaze ngathi uyazina ngivuka mase ngiyavuka ngiyopha igazi liyazehlela ngomlenze hawu kwenze njani manje kodwa indlela engopha ngayo is too much ayikho normal like yo like it's too much. Hayi ngiqala manje ngizwa ama cramps. Yes, like ngizwa ama cramps ukuthi then like sekwenzakalani ngivuke ila ngavuka khona ngihamba ngayobona lo muntu ke lo owayethi phuma angeke ngize ngikwazi ukukusiza.
Oh.
Lento lena onayo inesikhwele ngawe ngeke ulungele lutho kuma relationships like there's a lot nje like iyakuvala like iyamosha.
Okuyiyona ekhiphele sisi.
Yes yona.
Yes.
Ngase ngithi okay angigculisekile ngicela ukuya esibhedlela. Ngo-check ukuthi yini imbangela yokuphuma kwesisu.
Yes.
Esibhedlela bathi isibeletho sakho sivulekile. Isibeletho sami sivulekile sivulwe yini manje? Ngazicabangela ukuthi mina maybe sivulwe ukuthi kade ngiba kwi car accident angithi umntwana like ngazidedela yena unjalo abangisikanga bangifaka amaphilisi okususa umsiko ngazidedela yena umntwana ngazitshela ukuthi yebo ngazitshela ukuthi maybe into eyamosha isibeletho sami ukuthi ngakhipha umntwana esethule maybe like ngamosheka khona lapho kuleyo accident like azange ize ngibe neclear ukuthi yini into eyamosha isibeletho sami bathi nje ukuthi isibeletho sakho wena sivulekile uma ngabe uyazibona or uyafind out ukuthi upregnant phuthuma uze esibhedlela so that sizokuvala isibeletho ingane ingaphumi.
Yes.
But into ebengiyinothisa ngalento isisi sakhona besingahlali ngisho I think inyanga indinyanga because ngakutshela ukuthi ezinye bengifila ngizizwa ukuthi no uyabona ye manje lezi zinto engizenzayo ezomuntu opregnant ingeqi date ngibona ukuthi yabona ke manje sihleli sisu. Sometimes izoba khona into ethi hamba uye esibhedlela. Sometimes nginalento ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngiyathandaza. Why ungangisizi? Because even for my daughter lo enginaye, ne after ukuthi kuphuma isisu sokuqala, lese ngingasaphuma kanjani?
Yes.
Lo wokuqala umntwana umuntu owapick up ukuthi ngipregnant ugogo wami lozala umama.
Yes.
Owapick up ukuthi lo mntwana upregnant. Wangisiza ngani ngokuthi phuza nathi imbiza banginikeza imbiza angibange ngisaya lapho ke sibedlela ukuthi beyongivala wathi hayi khululeka because ugogo ngiyamazi la ugogo sizomunye usisi like engathola abantwana.
Yes.
Wabathola nabantwana so ngamthemba ngathi gogo ngizoyithatha imbiza wathi uyiphuza for 3 months.
Okay.
And then usungayiyeka ke isisu sobe sehleli namanje nginokusho ukuthi noma ngibona umntana nami ngisho ukuthi yabona isalikazi lesiya sangisevela impilo yomntanami because naye ngabakekho ingane yami khona because ugogo ngembiza anginikeza yona ukube akabonanga yena njengomuntu obonayo ukuthi ngizithwele ngangeke ngize ngibone ngangizoyeka ngihlale kanjalo siphume futhi sisu. Kodwa namhlanje ingane yami le ikhona kwabe kugcina kwami ukuthi ngithi ngiyakwazi ukumitha futhi ngiphinde ngibe nomntwana noma kuthiwa sengiyazazi ukuthi hayi no mina ngiready ngiyamfuna umntwana manje kunzima because mangathiwa ngiyakubalela ziseyiphumile ezinye angizazi ezinye bhutukazi bese ngivele ngihlale ngazi ukuthi siyaphuma isisu ngwabona amahlule ngisho ukuthi ingane yami le but ipain yokuthi ngihleze ngihamba ngesibhedlela beyongitshela into eyi1 because ngisigidile esibhedlela era uma musa baze bathi like after sengisukile ekhaya because ngaqeda umatric ngiyeza ngapha ekhaya ngapha la eGoli umama ngayiGoli so still nakhona remember being in a relationship very strong one a healthy relationship but the relationship ziphumile zisu maybe zo4 kule relationship I remember the guy ebethi ungayi ebathroom thatha indishi sibone ukuthi kuphumani bengihlala endishini so ngihlele endishini ngiwezwa ama pain sometimes bengimtshela uGayi ukuthi nginenkinga eso but kuze kwafika to the point ukuthi angisafuna ukukhuluma about my problem because noma ngakutshela uzo understand kanjani umuntu ophunyelwa izisu not once not twice lokhu siphindile uzo understand lo muntu makakutshela ukuthi uyazama ukuhamba uthola usizo akasizakali. The last one actually like before ngifike kuleyo kugcina because leyo kugcina like i-pregnancy yona engibreak to the core because lapho ke ngahamba ngaya esibhedlela bangivala isibeletho ngazitshela ukuthi finally it's happening kanti cha. Before that makulokhu kuphuma izisu ngize ngafika ekutheleni ukuthi angisafuna like ukuyasibhedlela beyongitshela ngayo maybe ngingahamba ngibatshela ukuthi ngiphunyelwe yisisu ngicela ningiclean hayi ukuthi ngibabuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni because I know eRahima Musa bathi mabengibuza ngathi doctor angazi ukuthi zingaki zisesezimphumela because also during ukuphunyelwa izisu ngeke ngaba kwi-ectopic pregnancy leyo ukuthi mawuba pregnant ingane ikhulela kwi-tube.
Okay, ngahlala esinyeni.
Yes. I remember asking about doctor ukuthi kodwa ayikho na into engayenza ukuthi because angithi izisu vele seyiphumile ziningi futhi hayi ukuthi sekuphume 1 or 2 seziningi iphumile. Ngiyambuza udoctor ngithi ayikho indlela yokuthi ungayisusa ingane kwi-tube uyifake kwi-womb uyisave. What? No, there's no way. Kumele masiyikhipha kwi-tube like we remove it, and I only found out ukuthi mawuhamba the process of ectopic pregnancy they cut the other tube. So when if maybe ngathiwa ngiba kwi another ectopic pregnancy they will have to cut my other tube of which angeke ngisakhona ukuthola abantwana.
Yes.
So like there's a lot yokuthi ngilento isindlulise kuyona because right now I have an operation yokuthi ingane yakhona yikho. Noma umuntu angibuza used to lie about my operation eyani appendix, like I'm not comfortable to tell them ukuthi eyomntwana ongekho. I'm not comfortable to keep on sharing to different people because most of my relationships aphendiswa ukuthi once ngaqala ngakudlalela usizi lami ngakutshela ukuthi this is what I'm going through and wena ufuna umntwana wena abanye bengingabatshela ukuthi ngiphunyelwe isisu ngizomyeka umuntu or maybe into ebuyenzisa ubuhlungu kakhulu umuntu uyazi ukuthi if kwenzeka so noma kuthiwa bengakabi yena umuntu but as long ukuthi sisi bese sihlele kulistigeza ke konke lokho bengizenzela mina because ngiyazi ukuthi inkinga isala nami isinyama sisala nami, you know. It got to the point where ngithi yazini I'm tired ngiyasigeza isinyama siyabuya angifeel ngazi ukuthi like ngiyahamba ngifeel ngazi ukuthi kwenzeka more like it kept like happening again and again. Ngize ngasitshela ukuthi asisekho isidingo sokuthi ngikwatele umuntu ukuthi ungiphule inhliziyo because I was once told ukuthi ayikho into ezongilungela and the time ngiba settled ngihlala kwi relationship ngithi now I'm happy ila ukuvele kumosheke khona ku right nomuntu engekho serious ngaye. Shuthi mina akumelanga ngibe kwi relationship akumelanga ngibuild life yami because maybe like the way I feel it's like maybe mangaqala ngibuild life yami lo Thami Mbumbulu shuthi izobiphazamisa lento ayenzayo.
Yes.
Because he ruined my life ukuthi kuqhubeke kwenzakale whatever afuna ukuyizuza yena. I'm losing so many opportunities. Sometimes I will grab the opportunity ngisho ukuthi this one is mine.
But ingakuphuli why kunento ukuthi ufila ngazuthi khona into eyenziwa uThami and ubungaka sagcinula naye wambona ukuthi igama lakhe elinye kulona leli lakhe kwakuphelela lapho. Ubelieve ekutheni ukuthi wenzani if ungathi utshela umbukele ekhaya?
Ngiyabelieve ukuthi khona into angenza yona if ayikho into angifaka yona because angiyazi yini into edla abantwana bami. Angiyazi. And sometimes nginokucikeka umuntu wesilisa uyangikwatisa sometimes ngikukhumbule manje mawusula kumele senze hayi if angifuna kunokungavumi ngithi no I can't. So like I believe ukuthi uThami lo Phineas khona into angenza yona kudala ngibheka ama podcast ngibona ukuthi abantu benzani amantombazaneni o like kuphi basebenzisa izini what if ngihleli khona khona kimi mina ngumuntu onjani like angisazi nini mawubheka lo lizipho lami lapha linqunyiwe so like ngikhule ngithanda ukuzikhatha
insipho
yes like ngamazinyo like awuthekha unyawo yes ngikhathi if angiyibona iclip eduzane ngifuna ukulukhatha I'll do that. So last week ngiyakwenza lokho ngiyaprepare ngemsebenzini ngifuna ukufaka amateki and lezi nzipho sezinkulu. So ngiyaphamisa unyawo ngiyalibeka mangilithi like ngiyeza ukuthi sisami siqumba something engathiji and lento angiqala ukuyizwa like into ehlezi like yenza sengithi hayibo lento nansi futhi ibuya why like yini ngiqumbe like ngathi if ngiyithinta iya movie ya somewhere so like angazi ukuthi yini ekimi because sometimes nginokuzwa ngazi kukhala ubugudugudu eswini like engingabazi ukuthi yini what if yibo bona lobo obudla impilo like zeingane zami what if it got to the point yokuthi angisakhona ukuthola abantwana what if it gets to the point yokuthi ngithola umuntu ofuna ukungithatha bese ufuna ngimthola labantwana ngibizwe ngamagama so many times and by people like who are very close to me. That is why now I'm no longer comfortable to share my story with what am I going through because angazi ukuthi mangitshelile as umuntu ebengibambisene naye ungikhuluma uthini ngaphandle ungikhuluma njengentombazane ekhipha isisu or ungikhuluma njengentombazane enenkinga edinga usizo because mangikusharela ngisuke ngifuna usizo mangitshela njengomuntu wami ngisuke ngifuna ukuthi ungisize sibambisane ukuthi ngisizakala because nawe if ungeza kimi ungitshela ukuthi mama nginenkinga so ngicela ungisize sibambisane siyilungise angeke ngithi no umuntu engibambisene naye
yes very cool
angeke like there is no way so like at this point in politically emotionally physically ingenza ngizinyanye ngenza I used to be very confident I used to love myself. You see me if ungibona lama dark spot la angwazi ukuthi asukapi adalwa yini. There was a point where ngile relationship yokugcina bengiyona. So this relationship was very healthy. Everyone looking ukuthi nami ngiyafisa ukuthola ugelo ozongithanda kanje ngawe Dladla like please yini into enenza ngayo umenzeni uGugu Dladla ukuthi ekuthande Gugu umenzani uDladla ukuthi ekuthande because niyathandana. It was beautiful to the point yokuthi the guy kept on telling me ukuthi hayibo mina ngifuna ukuze ekhaya ngifuna ukuletha inkomo nani. I ended up like telling my mom like ngimtext ngithi mama please ngiyaqala like at this point he's the first guy ongitshela ukuthi ufuna ukwenza into so angazi ngimphendule ngithini to mama sisi khuluma naye umtshela ukuthi if when ready uyamthanda kulungile usukhulile and ngiyakubona futhi ukuthi uhappy mangi happy trust me uzongibona makukhona into engidlayo uzongibona umzimba wami stupid kakhulu because in one day I can lose weight in one day mawukuthi khona into engihlupha in one day ngiyaba futhi phansi so I told my mother ukuthi mama kunento so umuntu ufuna ukwenza so hayi mina ngazi ukuthi konakalephi angazi konakale nje for isikhashana sincane ngqale ngokubona ukuthi at mayibuya la kumuntu drive ama truck at mayibuya engasangitshela ukuthi ukhona there was no way umuntu ukuthi ebethi noma esuka emakhaya ebuya ngizozwa ngayikhola sethi ngila ngaphandle phuma engangitshela ukuthi ngiyeza yes I wasn't happy ukuthi uvele ngisurprise but he's my man and there was nothing wrong engiyenzayo I was with him inkinga iqale ngokuthi engasangitsheli ukuthi useyeza akasayikhulumi lento. One thing about me like ngithanda ukuzirecorda. There was a time where I was extremely happy ngicabanga ngaye eqeda ukukhuluma lento ukuthi hayi ngeke phela mina ngifuna ukuze ekhaya ntontoni nani ngarecorda ngathi guys I would share this video nani mhlazana sekwenzakele only to find out ukuthi it won't get to that point ukuthi kugcine kuze kwenzeke. Mangicabanga ukuthi now I know ukuthi what's happening with me. I've been told ukuthi khona into wrong ngawe noma sekwenzeka ngikwi relationship qala uthuthuva ngivele ngibona ukuthi sekuyenzeka sometimes I don't even fight ngivele ngisho ukuthi sekuyenzeka I will pray. I ended up buying a Bible bengingenalo iBhayibheli lami self. I ended up buying a Bible because
bengifuna ngazi ukuthi maybe noma ngingani-understand, but if I can have a Bible, open it, read it, and then pray, ask God to make me understand, maybe kuzoba ngcono.
Yeah.
Akwenzakalanga lutho akubange kube ngcono. Inkinga iqala ngoba sengiba pregnant for this guy. Luckily ngathola early ngahamba ngaye esibhedlela. Actually, like, I think uyena wangenza ukuthi ngibone.
Yeah.
Ngaya kuyena and then ngahamba ngabuya the next week. Mangibuya the next week ngaba nje nalama sickness lawa. Uye kuqala uthi ayi inokuthatha isisu. Uyahleka la ngiyikhuluma as a joke. Yabona ayi ngithi mina kodwa lutho ngeke. Amanye esibhedlela be find out ukuthi hayi ngi-pregnant without me even thinking ukuthi like okay so ngiyele ezinye izinto, but if esibhedlela ufika definitely like bazokucheck izinto eziningi like nani because mina makayisha ngifaka ngekhanda ukuthi ngi-pregnant.
Yes.
Nalento yokuthi ivele kunzima for mina when it comes to pregnant, when it comes to having a baby. Akuseyona into engifake ekhanda, ngisafuna futhi ukuzitshela ukuthi mina sengiready sengiyayifuna ingane. Sekoyifikela makufika ngaleso sikhathi. So bangisiza ke bavala isibeletho, ngashare naye indaba ukuthi hayibo so vele like I'm pregnant, you know, even though like besikhuluma ngefone but I wouldn't see umuntu ukuthi ujabule like, and futhi akuyena umuntu ophaphile, umuntu onjani, umuntu ophansi ngenye indlela. Umuntu ophansi ukuthi noma kuthiwa uhappy uzobona nje ngesmile lesi singathi sabelungu and then kushayile. But I believe ukuthi the way bengiyifuna ngakhona ingane naye the way bekayifuna ngakhona ingane kungizwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi siqale ukulwa ngoba nakho sengipregnant. Ngiqale ukuba very aggressive nami kuye because I felt like akanginakekeli, but he knows my situation ukuthi I've been losing babies, I've been going through this, and then uzonginikeza yebo akayiphikanga ingane uyivumile, but if enganginikeza isikhathi, if enganginikeza indebe ukuthi ngikhulume naye ukuthi ngiyasaba ebena kungibuza ukuthi kanti uyaqala yini ukumitha like ingane yakho neyokuqala like ushintshile waba omunye umuntu engamazi. And that's when I thought ukuthi no, because I remember the other time ngithola intombazana endlini, I was shocked because angaze ngamcabangela ukuthi ngakwenza noma kuthiwa uyakwenza ngakwenzela kude, not kulombhedlo lo esihlanganela kuwona. That's when I even tried to kill myself. Lamasikazi nje lawa awakhona, you know. So ngathi mangikhuluma naye angakhombisa like umuntu obengithanda the way wonke umuntu bekathukile, ama friends wakhe, abobhuti bakhe like abekhona endlini bethi like lo muntu lo uyamthanda uGugu but kwenzakalani, uyabona. Ngivele ngabona ukuthi yabona if wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi uthando likhona kodwa khona lento ephazamisayo.
Yes.
Why must I be mad at the guy ukuthi umphula inhliziyo because I know my problem yini into abangenza yona mina. Umuntu la khona uyaqhubeka making lot of money, business lakhe lihamba kahle, but what's happening ngempilo yami I destroyer kudala namanje ngisastrugglisha. Ukhuleka kanjani ubona umuntu because like I said like even kuthiwa uyayibona iface yami ngazi noma uzongirecognize na, ufila kanjani like umosha impilo yomuntu ukuthi wena uphumelele. Because into engenza ukuthi ngibelieve ukuthi weird because he's a businessman. Lezi zinto lezi zenziwa abantu bama business. Ukusimamisa umcebo wabo, ukusimamisa ibusiness labo.
Ukuthi belalela.
Yes. So ngisase pregnant, back to the story le ye pregnancy yokugcina. Remember ukuthi ngile sibhedlela bangivala isibeletho kwa right. Into ebingistressa kakhulu. Remember siyalwa nobaba wengane.
So before figure lapho, so ukuthi angifuni ukuthi silahleke, so do you believe ukuthi he did sacrifice ngawo wenza some sort of sacrifice?
I believe it because yonke into engifuna ukuyenza eyimpumelelo iyamosheka. Iyamosheka, like I believe so because kwazi ngane zakhona ngizazi ukuthi zikhishwa yini, ziyapi, zithathwa yini. I believe it like angazi like akekho umuntu ongazama like manje ukungiconvince ethi hayi Gugu mhlamba akakwenzanga, cha yabona at this point I believe it because he lied to me, he disappeared, he left me with a lot of money, he bought me a phone and then he disappeared.
which means wayithenga your soul or
wayithenga my soul, and he chose me instead of my friend obehleli phambili. My friend was very much beautiful than me. I'm not gonna lie. Enomzimba omuhle, mina nginomzimba omncane, but lo mntwana lo abeka nomzimba.
But he chose you.
But wabheka emuva, ngihleli kwisithe semuva. Why unganaka umuntu ophambili? Why unganaka umuntu onama hips? Uzonaka isilanda esincane, and dala benginomzimba ongekho. Bengiqoka size 26. Yinto ifunayo ngapha wena umuntu othe ukukhulanyana. Shuthi ubonile ukuthi no, mina the person that I want, nanya, not this one. Not this one. If it was a normal person, bekazoqhubeka nalo. My calves, if my friend was beautiful and my hips amuhle.
But did you tell your friend later ukuthi mngani wami this is what happened as usixoxa manje story ukuthi umngani wami yazi phela lo yamuntu luya?
I did not, because umngani wami ngamgcina. Last time ngimbona it was 2022 and ngimbona sekayiphara ukuma drugs. Like I second into engathi ngiyayikhuluma naye eyifakele ekhanda because like ngimbona sakhuluma ku Facebook. What okay mngani if ukuthi uyeza please, because unokungitexta ethi mngani mina ngisayifuna lempilo, mina like I see you are beautiful on social media, you are pushing your life, but mina nginje ngithi mngani if you still need help, if udinga usizo ngempela hambe ekhaya, ngiyaye ekhaya. Wathi ngiyeza. Wonke umuntu esahleli naye bathi ayi asikhululekile sicela umxoshe iphara ke leli.
Yes.
To the point where like now I felt it would know it's too much. But angeke ngize ngimlahle. Ngamtshela ngathi hamba uye ekhaya uyababona, ungahambi ngakubonanga. Wa disappear. Wahamba. Ngezwe nje sekuthiwa nje ethi angeke ngize ngitshele umuntu mina ngempilo yami.
So the friend onaye emotweni uyiphara today.
Uyiphara today. Ayikho indaba yakhe uyiphara today, and it breaks me because I think mayimbuyela ingqondo uyakhumbula ukuthi nginomngane uzombonela like ama pictures ami ku Facebook and text. Ngani mina ngikhathele ngisize like this and this and this, but ngikusiza kanjani if ngizothi mangithi woza bese kuthiwa futhi hayi usenyamalele futhi.
So isizathu esikhulu ngokwenkolelo yakho, isizathu esikhulu lento ayifuni ukuthi ube nabantwana, ayifuni ukuthi ube ne-serious relationship okanye ube nento ethe yakho, because it's more like isebenza ngawe. Or do you believe lezi ngane iyazithatha ziphile somewhere? Do you believe lezi ngane mayizidla ithatha zibe ilwane ezikhando like ngebelief yakho? I'm trying to understand also. I'm learning lahlekile kancane.
At this point ngeke ngithi ngikholela ukuthi ziyaphi lezi ngane, but uma ilokhu zinyamalala zidleka kanje shothi khona into eziyenzayo to do something for yena uPhineas Gumede. If there's a problem me mentioning his name, why he lied to me ngegama lakhe, why he disappeared, why he lied to me, like dazange ngitshela ukuthi ubani really ubani. So definitely should lezi ngane zami ziyamenzela, like mina ayikho. Like I remember I got even scammed by this other celebrity, like that one, like I won't even mention him because like he scammed me. Fine, bekangitholela ama gig, I will go perform naye, but I was organizing my own transport, paying dancers myself. I would uzobhadala yonke leyo nto. Drinks for my dancers myself. So I was going there for appearance, just to be seen, to be known.
Yes.
So he used that opportunity angifuna imali to master my song, beyikhathe because it was long and whatnot. Ngambhadala 3.5 wagcine buyise 1.5. So like I believe like yonke into engithi ngiyazama ukuyithinta. Sengisaba ngisho ukuthi let me work with you. Because angazi ukuthi ngiza nasiphi isinyama kuwena. I feel like I'm no longer here. Like now, I thought April is going to be a month of joy and anticipation because it's my birthday month. And I've been okay. I've been like, I wanted to keep the energy. I wanted to keep the good energy. I wanted to keep the positivity until month end of April ngibe right. But I feel like mangilokhu ngivalela izinto ngiyazilimaza. Even emsebenzini today, like yesterday I was like you know what, I'm no longer closing for izinto ezingizwisa ubuhlungu. If kumele kuqhuma ibhomu ayiqhuma ibhomu, ngiyakhuluma manje, ngiyayikhipha yonke into engizwisa ubuhlungu because kufa mina. even the last pregnancy, months as a pregnant, I think bese ngiyofika ku 5 months.
Yes.
You know?
That's a long time.
Like, during pregnancy yakhona, there was a time where I wasn't eating. Pregnancy enjani yona leyo.
Ungadli.
Mara bengingaphelelwa amandla.
Ubungalambi.
Ukulamba bengilamba, but bengithi mangidla inhliziyo iciki. Ngithatha ukudla ngikubekele, maybe ngizothenga amahewu, ngizophuza amahewu. I didn't want to communicate with the guy ngimtshela ukuthi what's happening. Remember, we are fighting. Ukuthi silelani because both of us siyayidinga ingane angazi. Kumele ngabe siyajabula, kumele ngabe yonke into ihamba right. But we were fighting.
At the end of the day nayo.
At the end of the day nayo ingane yakho ayikho. Ukuthi kwenzakalani I can't even tell you. After ukuthi siphume isisu ngahlala esibhedlela, uguy ngagcina ukukhuluma naye. Ngiqeda ukuphuma esibhedlela ngikhohlisa ukuthi ake zokubuya kwakuyilesikhathi lesikade kuneqhwa ntontona ngithi xa ama-child so wathi kimi uvaleleke eDurban angeke khona ukubuya kanti uyangikhohlisa. That time ngiyamdinga noma ngafika umama engikhalise ngihage, but I need this person yokuthi ngimtshela ukuthi what's happening, engitshela ukuthi kuzoba right. Mntanakhe after all, but azange ngikhulume naye. Mase ngimfona, that was the last time ngize ngakhuluma naye ngisazi maybe this year. Nakhona because I feel like ngizonda umuntu but ngiyayazi problem yami. Maybe yena mekangithanda, but because umuntu ohlangana nami, this thing izomosha vele. Noma ngithi ngifuna ukuzama ngikhulumisane naye ngimtshela ukuthi bro, ngezwe abangani bakho bethi wena usitshela like the way besilwa ngakhona, the way besixabana ngakhona, usitshela ukuthi isisu ngisikhiphile. And it hurts me ukuthi asitshela ukuthi isisu ngisikhiphile, knowing very well ukuthi uyazi ukuthi nginenkinga enjani. I told him everything.
Kunento ingane zakho.
Bangaki abafana abangizondayo bezitshela ukuthi ngikhiphe izisu zabo.
Shit.
Bangaki omama babafana. If umfana uyamtshela ubaba uthi yo mama umuntu wami ukhulelwe, uzongizonda lowo mzali if ingane yakhe izofika ithi mama ugugu ukhiphe isisu sami. Uzongizonda lowo mama. Engagcina futhi ukuthi ehambe khuluma ngami ukuthi le ngane le yakhipha isisu somfana wami. Emotionally I'm damaged because I know people have been telling me ukuthi ngikhiphe izisu. They've been telling me.
So ukuzuyisikele esandleni bese uyisika sekwenze njani?
La esandleni ngathola uboyfriend enentombazane endlini. Nakhona ngangayanga kuye, bengivashela omunye umngane wami, so I wanted i-t-shirt yami I think emilapha endlini because umngane wami uthe no angikuhambe, so uzulala la ngathi I have my clothes kwa boyfriend yami.
Yes.
Angazi ukuthi ukhona. Kodwa isikhe ngiyazi ukuthi sihlezi la ngisekhona.
Yes.
Mangifika wonke umuntu wathuka ukuthi hey ugugu ufunani manje wena la, and ukuthi ngithuke ukuthi kuthuka abantu ukuthi ugugu ufunani la. They knew ukuthi angithi kunentombazane endlini.
Okay.
Ngabona from episode babo ukuthi khona into abangifihlela yona. Angibange ngisabuza lutho ngashona endlini. I remember ngaphula ngisho umnyango la ngoba ngikutshela ukuthi like the last time ngithula ukukwata like ngaphula ngisho umnyango because yena wavela vala umnyango usho ukuthi bayafuna ukuthi like maybe singalwe nalentombazane or what. Ngawukhahlela umnyango wakhona waphuka. Ngabona ukuthi lo muntu lo it's like akasale ndaba. Kushintshe kuphi the way bayakhathala ngakhona. Even obhuti bakhe bebuza ukuthi kwenzakaleni kanti
the same boyfriend lo ukuthi u happy naye.
Yes, like I've never cheated for that guy. The way ngimhlonipha ngakhona, the way ahlonipheke ngakhona. Angikhumbuli ngimbiza ngegama lakhe ngithi V or Vincent. The way ahlonipheka ngakhona de ngimbiza ngodladla, and hayi ukuthi bengithi Dladla. Yes, like nje namanje ngisathi idladla. The way bengimhlonipha ngakhona, the way naye angiqoqe ngakhona. Mina I used to love going out because remember I'm into entertainment industry. I want to be seen, I want to go there, showcase myself and all that. But ungiqoqile like wangenza like this girl. Ngaqala phansi nami ngathi finally ngiyamthola futhi umuntu ozongithanda.
Manje umfica unentombazane.
Manje ngimfica unentombazane. Akakhombisi ukuthi uyayisola. Akakhombisi ukuthini. Ukhuluma nje ngendlela angakaza khuluma ngayo. There was a time la ngithe like uma sengiyikhiphile lentombazana endlini yahamba yaya kuye ngaphandle. Mangithi first time engibamba ngewashing ngilahlela le ngathuka. I was like, this is not him. Like, this is not him. I asked him, Guti, you doing this to me? Uzonglimaza, mos. Uzonglimaza. But I had to sometimes get to the point where I'm like, I'm no longer going to be mad for abantu abangiphola inhliziyo because maybe abazenzi. Maybe abazenzi, but because lento kimi iyona. Futhi sometimes like sengiyasaba because ngizothi ngihlangana nengane yomuntu. Ngithi ngiyenza kanti maybe i-weak ngalendlela yokuthi lento what if idala okunye kuyena, what if iyamosha, what if iyambulala or ini, because I don't know if isilwane leso sikimi, I don't know if yinto eyafakwa, angazi ukuthi yini ephila kimi engithathele ingane. Noma ngesibhedlela bangitsheli irizinde ezwakalayo.
Yes, solid.
Bangitshela ngesibeletho sami esivulekile. Of which they told me long time ago.
So now, are you trying to commit suicide?
Now I'm trying to commit suicide because this guy bengithi sengiseklet naye. Siright. Nangu seyangichithela ke manje. Sekuhamba ngo-left, asekho happy the way besijwayele ukuba happy ngakhona. Ngizokwenza njani ke manje? Sengikhathele like uqala ama-relationship, like that's what I told him ukuthi Dladla ngikhathele ukucinga omunye umuntu engizoqala phansi ngimthande. Kungithatha isikhathi ukuthi mina ngize ngim-accept naye like waze washo wathi wena ungibalekelile for months because bengingamthemba ukuthi hayi uzongithanda, but ngazitshela ukuthi okay, now I'm fine. I think you're the person engimdingayo, even though we had different personalities, but ungiqoqile and I was enjoying sonke isikhathi nginaye. So mase kwenzeka lokho, I'm like, it's happening again. Why is it happening again?
This is sad. It's sad. So I believe which is lapha because you're trying to find solutions and you're trying to find abantu abangasinceda.
Yeah.
Maybe if you can summarize yonke lento esisikhulumile egameni lokuthi ufisa ukusizakala ungathini kumuntu ufisa kusize kuphi?
Engifisa ukusizakala kukho ukuthi ngumuntu wesifazane.
Yes.
And ngisafisa ukwakha umuzi, ngisafisa ukuba nomuntu engizophilisana naye. Besides that, angizazithandi, angisazithemba ukuthi ngumuntu wesifazane ophelele.
Yeah.
Ngicela ningisize ukuthi ngithole umina back, ngizazi ukuthi ungubani, ngisizakale kule nkinga enginayo. Ngikhathele ukuthi ngiluze abantwana. The last pregnancy, the guy akaze zengigeza nokungigeza, but lesisisu bese kuwumuntu like azange zengigeza. I had to find my own way to fix myself. So angazi noma nginesinyama phezu kokuthi izingane ziyalahleka. Angazi, ngicela ningisizeni. Kuphele lento ekumina, kuphume lento elakimi ngaphakathi because ngisho ukuzethemba ngisazethembi. There was a time la ngiphunywe khona amathumba ebusweni awu2. If ubheka la like lento lena like I believe ukuthi angeke isaphinde isuke.
I see.
Because like kwakuyithumba, kunethumba la first time ngiphunywa amathumba ebusweni. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi and lapho ke sengiyala with this guy, I'm like uNkulunkulu wami kwenzakalani manje? If this thing ibuye futhi ngenza ukuthi kuzondeke kubantu, shuthi phela isengangenza ukuthi wonke umuntu engangifuni. Isengangenza ukuthi la ngifika khona, even if the job was mine, it can turn it. If it says ukuthi this job will be my breakthrough, it can destroy that opportunity. So I'm asking like if you know what you can help me. Because now I cannot just go to anyone and be like, like, on the other side, because I've been told ukuthi nginabantu abadala. Angisakholwa ukuthi abantu abadala noma inento le or yini. Angazi, like angizazi ukuthi ngibiphi.
Mhlambe roughly sezingakile lokuzana lezi ingane zakho zilahleka zidlule lento le eyafakwe lo muntu kwena.
Yo, wazi. Mangizothi 10 mncane.
Sure.
mncane u-10 mncane u-10 because I remember ngisasekhaya maybe zaphuma ezo-3 ngayibale accident just after nje
accident.
Yes. No, ezo-2 zaphuma ngisekhaya. Elesisaphuma ngilele, ilesisaphuma sengikubaba walomntwana okhona. Before ebekhona lo mntwana, ugogo epick up ukuthi ngipregnant. Kwaphuma isisu kuqala. And ugogo wafika wangitshela ukuthi saphuma ngise-toilet. Maka ngitshela ukuthi wena you are pregnant.
So it's more than 10.
10 mncane ngoba mncane
No, usizwa ngempela.
Because kunesikhathi sokuthi ngizohlala kwazi ngiwezwe ama-pain. The way ngine engangakhona ipain mina ngisenendaba nayo.
Kufanele.
Like I am mad to the point ukuthi ngisho umuntu ngazi kahle ukuthi lo nje uyangikwatisa ngiyathandaza ukuthi Nkosi yami ngicela engangikwatisi because ngiyazazi ukuthi nginjani. Senginale enga yokuthi I don't care.
Yes, kufanele. Do you think maybe uyakudinga ukululeka ngokwengqondo somehow?
Before ngekhaya December bangibhalela incwadi esibhedlela ukuthi after le miscarriage ukuthi angihambe ngiyobona i-therapist ngokuthi sengiphunyelwe nayiziso eziningi nayo yonke leyo nto. Sahamba ngayi-attenda kwaphazamisa ukuthi ngahamba ngaye ekhaya. Mangekhaya we had to change ama-date like nani nayo yonke lento. And then ama-date angakuzobuya ngawo siqhubeke nelento ekhaya kwenzeka enye inhlekelele nje nakhona kwangena umuntu uze ngesifo kuba uzongcwaba. This guy uyi-28 umdavu. Ngiyamzonda ngempilo yami yonke because wangena ekhaya with the intentions yokuthi ufuna ukungirape. Ungibonile during the day. That sometimes if ngicabanga izinto ezenzakala ngize ngithi yabona lento ingilethela amabhadi ingilethela izinto ezero manga ngidotha how many car accidents esengingena kuwona. You won't believe me wonke futhi ngiphuma ngilimele kodwa ngiyasurvive like I am surviving ukuthi kanjani sometimes angazi.
Yes.
I feel like lento ingilethela isinyama.
Khona indlela okwazama ukugeza ngazo trying izinto ezithile before you go extreme in seeking help. Khona izinto ezincanyana nje usukwazenza trying
ukwazi yini inkinga bangengahamba ngakumuntu. Oqala ngiyakumuntu wathi angeke ngizame wangitshela ukuthi nginabantu abadala but abakhona ukukhuluma nami because nginenhliziyo ebukhuni.
Yes.
Angikwazi ukuxolela ngikwazi ukudlulisa kalula nje kanjalo of which is true I know. So wanginikeza uVaseline wathi ngicela uthathe ukhothe uthandaze ucela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ekusize uthambise inhliziyo uzokhona ukuthi ube umuntu okhululekile. Ngazama ukwenza kuphelelanga ndawo angazi kuvele nje angazi ngayiqeda into noma benginikeze something ukuthi okay geza nganansi into
awuyiqedi meri iqeda because ukungaqedi kwakho usho ukuthi kuchaza khona ukuthi kunento evimbayo but asike silinde gugu sike sibone ukuthi ubani umuntu ongaqhamuka nosizo. I believe ukuthi abantu bazizwile istory nami ngama amafishane ugugu ebuncaneni bakhe wahlangana nobaba omdala ubaba lona wamthatha walala naye wamupha imali wamupha nefoni imali yakho niyisambe singaziwa egoqiwe ukuthi mayifaka isikhwameni vele agcwala isikhwama emncane ngaleso sikhathi. So ubhilivele kutheni ubaba lo kukhona into akayenza possibly wathola ngaye noma khona into akayishiya izilwane lento lezinto abantu abazenzayo yes ungasejozini. Yes, so basically it's not about lo baba lo but it's about into eyenzeka kugugu. So asikho isidingo sokuthi atholakale noma afunakale but umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi asize nansi ingane yakwethu ithola usizo asusele izilwane noma asusele into engaphakathi kuyena akwazi ukuthi emncede. I think into yakho ni straightforward into nje ayifakwa umuntu through ucansi. So I think basically khona but kukuncane kunjalo but umonakalo sewenzile mukhulu kakhulu semmoshela izinto izise seyiphumile inqwaba moshela ama relationships izinto zakhe ayihlangana kuningi and akumele umuntu afephile emhlabeni and ukusezamile ukuzibulala nama can see amalokhuzana ama scars ezandleni like kuningi kuningi ingane zakwethu. So if kungakhona mhlawumbe umuntu ongakwazi ukusiza udade wethu ngajabula kakhulu. Even nje fika la kwi-podcast ufika umbona amehla adumbile ukuthi lo muntu ubehamba ekhala indlela yonke, she needs help. Siyacela ingane zakwethu before naye zigcine zenza into ebhlungu okanye igcine give up elifini, mhlawumbe igcine shesha impilo yakhe already ukwi-process of taking her life. So whoever can come up and say ngakusiza ngane yakwethu, siyacela ngane zakwethu nincede. And siyazi ukuthi kuzothiwa sithandaze, uyathandaza, uyazama, usethengene neBhayibheli ukwenze konke, but nakho nami ngiyaqhuza thathandaza ayinikele kakhulu uNkulunkulu, even though ezinye izinto esuke ifakwe abantu ziyophinda futhi ikhishwe yibona abantu. So abantu besentu nani bantu bakwethu siyacela ngesingami ngiyabonga kakhulu nayo kuku ngabonga uvalelise kubabukeli bethu emakhaya.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu for ithuba lokuthi ngizokhuluma ngayo, because angifuni amabanga ukuthi ngikhulume ngayo, ngiyangisiza umuntu wesithuwe ngikhuluma naye ngayo. Umuntu oqala ngakhuluma naye ngayo ukhazini wami, noma ngiyikhiphe ekhaya ngayikhipha kade kukhulunywa ukuthi ubani ekhaya uthe ngikhiphe izisu. Ilapho kuphele ngabatshela khona nje ukuthi hayi nginenkinga yokuphuphunyula izisu, kodwa makuthiwa umuntu uthi ngikhiphe izisu kungizwisa ubuhlungu. So ngiyabonga ukuthi ngikwazile ukuyikhuluma, ngibe strong enough ukuthi ngikwazi ukuyikhuluma, because dala ngizitshela ukuthi abantu bazongijaja. Dala ngizitshela ukuthi mangikhuluma abantu bazothi ngikhiphe izisu, of which into ebishiwoyo. But manje I don't care, impilo yami le, ngidinga usizo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga nisala kahle babukeli bethu emakhaya.